Welcome to the second video of the overview on Autodesk's water infrastructure portfolio. In this first video, if you had the chance to watch it, we explore the tools available for drainage design, storm, sewer and flood modeling, as well as water distribution. In this video, we will take a closer look at the other solutions included in the portfolio, focusing on capabilities such as real-time network analytics and asset renewal planning, supporting a more intelligent and integrated approach to water infrastructure management. My name is Diana Bellanovo, IEC Applications Engineer at Man & Machine, and I will be your guide through the key Autodesk tools that support engineers, utilities, and local authorities in delivering safer, more sustainable, and resilient water services. Autodesk offers a comprehensive water infrastructure portfolio designed to support every stage of the network lifecycle, from planning and design to simulation and real-time operations. In this video, we will focus on Autodesk solutions for asset management and operational analytics, tools built to enhance performance, reduce risk, and enable smarter decision-making across water and wastewater systems. Info360 Asset and Info Asset Manager transform inspection and CCTV data into risk-based insights, empowering utilities to develop targeted renewal strategies and support long-term capital planning. Info360 Insight and Info360 Plant bring real-time SCADA and IoT data into the cloud, delivering actionable dashboards that help operators optimize system performance, control operational costs, and maintain regulatory compliance. Together, these connected solutions enable more sustainable water infrastructure, reducing carbon impact, improving resource efficiency, and building greater climate resilience with a unified Autodesk environment. Info360 Asset brings the entire inspection and condition assessment workflow into the Autodesk cloud. As CCTV videos, photos, and observations are uploaded, the system automatically links each file to the correct pipe, manhole, or valve, with no storage limit to worry about. It calculates likelihood and consequence scores to generate real-time business risk maps, and these scores update dynamically as new inspections are received. With a simple drag-and-drop interface, users can build decision trees that recommend whether an asset should be cleaned, relined, or replaced. And with a single click, those decisions are converted into a capital improvement plan, complete with cost estimates and timelines. Because all data are stored in the cloud, field teams, asset managers, and executives access the same dashboards, aligning on priorities without the need to exchange spreadsheets. The result is a streamlined inspection process, transparent risk management, and smarter data-driven investment decisions that extend asset life while safeguarding service and budget. Info Asset Manager centralizes every pipe, manhole, pump station, and treatment asset into a single live asset register. It seamlessly integrates data from GIS, hydraulic models, and maintenance systems, then scores each asset based on condition, likelihood of failure, and consequence, delivering a clear picture of actual risk, not assumptions. With the risk insight, teams can develop targeted capital plans, prioritizing the pipes most likely to fail and the valves that affect the largest populations, helping to extend asset life and reduce emergency interventions. Field crews use InfoAsset Mobile to receive work orders, document defects, and sync inspections directly back to the office, while managers access InfoAsset online through a browser to view real-time dashboards and monitor performance against compliance targets, without relying on disconnected spreadsheets. In short, InfoAsset Manager transforms fragmented records into a single source of truth, ensuring every investment drives maximum resilience and value for customers. Info360 Insight is Autodesk's cloud-based platform for operational analytics, purpose-built to transform raw utility data into real-time, actionable intelligence. It connects directly to SCADA systems, IoT, sensors, and the hydraulic model, consolidating data into live dashboards accessible from any browser. No specialized software or on-premises servers required. When a burst or overflow is imminent, the platform triggers alerts, runs rapid simulations to identify at-risk customers, and guides operators through a step-by-step response timeline until the event is resolved. Regulatory reports that previously required days of spreadsheet work are now generated automatically, while energy and water loss KPIs refresh every 15 minutes, ensuring utilities stay on track and in compliance. With tailored dashboards for every user, from field technicians to executives, Info360 Insight delivers the right data to the right person at the right time. In short, it turns overwhelming volumes of data into clear, timely decisions that keep water networks compliant, efficient, and resilient. Info360 Plant is Autodesk's cloud platform for treatment plant analytics, designed to transform raw operational data into actionable insight. It brings together SCADA readings, lab results, and IoT sensor data into a single, secure dashboard, tracking energy usage, chemical dosing, and compliance KPIs in real time. Interactive process flow diagrams update instantly when a pump slows or an aeration basin drifts out of specification, while role-based workspaces ensure that operators, engineers, and executives each see the metrics that matter most to them. Automated analytics and built-in reporting templates replace spreadsheets, streamline regulatory reporting, and enable the reuse of proven calculation methods across all facilities in the network. With Info360 Plant, utilities move from fragmented files and manual logs to a live digital twin of the treatment works, driving better performance, lower operating costs, and confident regulatory compliance. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about InfoDrainage or any other Autodesk water solution, please don't hesitate to contact the team at Man & Machine UK. We'd be happy to support you.